Hey, what's up, guys? So I want to continue this from my last video, but also at the same time talk about something that could be implemented almost on any machine learning module, and that's the split data. Now I want to take this from a simple approach because m- myself, I'm trying to still learn really all the different ways that we can split the data, but this is kind of to touch on the basic way to split data, and I kind of want to talk about why. So if we're looking at here's our workspace, and over here to the left we have our different nodes we can grab, and down here at data transformation and then sample and split, we can grab the split data node, and we can right off the bat connect them. And before we run anything, if we click on it, we can come over here and kind of see there's a number of options: split rows, recommender, split, regular expression, relative expression. I just want to talk about split rows. Uh, um, in the future, if I get to it or learn more about what these are, I will definitely make a video of them. But for now, we'll do split rows. And from what I know and what I've done, 0.7 is a good fraction to kind of split the rows. And that's based off of that split. The 70% is going to come out of your first data set right here, and your second point is going to be uh, your training set. So we have this set, which is going to be we're going to use this. Well, this is going to be more or less our training set for running it through an algorithm, and then we're going to use this set, which is going to be the other 30%, as our test set. So after running it, because the whole idea of machine learning is to kind of predict future estimates of what's going to happen or whatever it's going to be, and predict oncoming new data, and and just try to kind of look at the data holistically and make guesses about it from past data. So with that said, without having future data on hand to kind of test, that's essentially what you're using the test data. So the other 30%, the first 70% is going to be used again for the algorithm to run, and then we're going to test the data in the other 30%. So from what I've known and kind of what I've been sticking to, the 70% is kind of across. It's kind of a default for some. This split data, or within Microsoft Azure machine learning, it defaults to 50%. From what I've seen, that's okay in some instances. It all depends on the data and how accurate you're kind of getting your values out of it. So it's really playing with it, and that's also why you have different options depending on what you're trying to do. For what we want, if we're simply splitting data, we're going to test it on some different algorithms and see what happens. 70-30 is pretty decent. It also all depends on how much data you have. Some instances more is better, but some not so much. So it's really playing with it. But from what I see, 70-30 is a good percentage. So I hope this helps. Again, it's just a brief kind of talk about splitting data. Nothing more. Again, in the future, I may get into these other ones, and we can talk a little bit more. I plan on making another video kind of continuing this, and we'll see really, where it goes from there. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, comment. Let me know if there's something else you want to learn. I'm hoping to make this something that we can kind of learn together and share information. So comment, share. I'll try it. When I find the info, I'll definitely share it. Again, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.